Hello viewers, today you are going to learn how to fix Dasher must be active to schedule dashes. So let's get started. This error happens if your Dasher account is not active, not approved yet, or recently got deactivated. So just try reinstalling or offloading the Dasher app only helps if the issue is glitch such as outdated application, login error, account status not refreshing. If you were recently approved, you just have to offload or delete the application, then restart your phone and reinstall the Dasher app and log in again. This refreshes your status if it's just a delay. If your account is not active, you just have to reinstall the application and check your email or Dasher portal. If it shows inactive, app reinstall won't fix it. You must contact Dasher support. And if you are deactivated, if you are eligible for an appeal, go to the DoorDash deactivation appeals page and fill out the form honestly. Then attach any required documents and submit the appeal to restore your account. And that's all. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.